going on, guys? Seancutshair here. I'm going to do the 360 Jeezy every haircut challenge. I just want to take a second to put a disclaimer out there at the beginning of this video. And I thought about not doing this video. I knew I wanted to do it. I looked in my book. I got a pretty regular day going, so but I thought I would go ahead and do it and kind of expose myself on this challenge, expose the industry a little bit, I guess. And I just want to take a second to say, you know, it's good to have these clients with cool haircuts and color enhancement designs and bald fades and crazy stuff like that. But in reality, you know, not everybody gets that stuff. And the people that pay my bills, I don't know if you guys follow the Pissed Off Barber, but he posted one yesterday. And it was a regular guy and it had all these quotes and it said, you know, I tip, I come on time, I never cancel, I get an easy haircut, I pay all your bills. Where's my picture? Why you not post me? And there's some truth to that. So what you guys are gonna see on my video today is a bunch of regular guys that just need a haircut, and this is what fills my schedule up. I get a fun one here and there. I am gonna try to do a couple things today with some of these guys and maybe talk them into doing something cool. But you guys are gonna see, man, these are just my everyday clients that just need haircuts. I'm in a small-ish town in Kentucky, so all my guys today are white guys with straight hair. I do cut a little bit of diversity, but again, Jeezy touching on Beam's video, you know, he was cutting all ethnic hair. So I do have a few guys, a few ethnic guys, Hispanic guys, Asian guys. I got some diversity, but today it is what it is. So without further ado, get to it. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Give me a thumbs up, and everybody tag Jeezy and make sure he sees this video. So see you next time. Listen, when I decided to do this, I really thought I was gonna have a hard time, but I tried hard on all my guys, even if they got regular cuts, and man, I'm real happy with the outcome. So hope you guys enjoy it. Man, this guy right here, my guy Jacob, he has special needs. He's a heck of a Special Olympics athlete. We have gotten close, man. He's one of my homies. He tells me he loves me and hugs me every time he leaves, but I try to go in on my guy and lace him. He's got some events, some special dances like Tebow's dance, and man, we go hard and give him a fresh cut. And my man always leaves feeling himself, so. Now look at that double crown, man. Look, these are real clients, man. This is what we got to deal with on the daily. Caleb right here. I was stoked he was coming. He had a big old nice beard last time. I was gonna lace him up. He came in with the self chin strap. So it is what it is. All right, that's the every cut challenge. I think I did 9 cuts today. You guys can see they about to go hoop behind me. So we got 4 guys on one head trying to finish it up. And it's a good looking head. Let's go over there. Ooh, you ain't never seen this.